Hi, my name is Sorino, and welcome to my village kitchen. If you're new here, I create content around cooking, farming, and homesteading. Today, I'm excited to share one of my favorite comfort foods, matoke. It's a dish made from green bananas that are simple, creamy, and absolutely delicious. Matoke reminds me so much of home. Growing up, it was a dish we'd eat before the bananas got ripe, while sharing stories. Whether it was served with stew, or with tea, or even on its own, it always brought us closer together. If you ever craved a meal that felt like a warm hug, then this is it. So, if you love traditional meals that nourish both the body and the soul, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more village style recipes. Now, let's get started on making creamy, flavorful matoke, the Kenyan village way. I didn't want to go through the process of peeling before cooking, so I decided to just wash them. As usual, before we start cooking, we have to light up the fire. Once the fire is ready, let's start cooking. This is a very simple recipe. I'll use my favorite pot to boil the bananas until they're halfway cooked. As the bananas are boiling, let's prepare our other ingredients. Here I was grating my tomatoes, then proceeded to cut my onions and garlic. The bananas should boil to a point where a knife or a fork can pass through easily. At this point, they were ready, so let's remove them from the hot water and start peeling them. I find working with green bananas this way to be very easy. Not to waste time, I decided to start cooking my soup base as I peel the bananas. The onions go first into the pot with oil, then I saute them for a few minutes and then add my garlic. The peels are coming out so easy and fast. Try this method and tell me how it works. After adding garlic, you can go in with coriander stems, but I didn't have them with me at home. They help enrich the flavor. You can always use ground garlic if you don't have fresh garlic at home, but I usually prefer using the fresh ones. Then, in goes the tomatoes. Mix them in until everything is nicely incorporated. Allow everything to simmer, then add spices. I use turmeric, cumin, and some seasoning cubes, and let the spices cook. Then now we bring in the star of the show, the peanut butter. If your soup base was a bit dry, add in some hot water. Mix it in until it's nice and creamy for it to have a fuller body and cook with the spices and the other ingredients. Add your water bit by bit. Don't add an ocean of water here. You won't be able to have a thick and creamy matoke at the end. Now, let's go in with the already peeled matoke. Remember, they were halfway cooked, so slowly place them in the pot. Add just a little bit of water if need be. Like mine here needed water to help cook the matoke through. Don't also forget to adjust your seasoning where needed and always test your food. I am already salivating by how it looks at this point. Cover and let them cook. Keep checking your food so it doesn't burn. When stirring the bananas, be careful because they might break. This was a very easy meal to prepare. I finished cooking, then I served my matoke. My, oh my, look at how rich, creamy, and flavorful that matoke looks like. This was so delicious, and everyone in the house gave it a thumbs up. I'll write the full recipe in the description box for you all to try, and come back and share how yours turned out. Thank you for watching up to this point. Bye. We shall try again tomorrow.